Hello, Trent. See, are you a YouTuber? Are you a content creator? And you are finding an interesting and lovely video or a movie on YouTube, I wish to download to your phone gallery. You don't wish to download to YouTube itself. You used to download to your YouTube gallery. Like maybe you're using Samsung, iPhone, Infinix, Techno, and many more. But the only option that YouTube gave is what? To download it on YouTube and to stream it on YouTube. So in this video, I'm teaching you how to download YouTube videos from YouTube directly to your smartphone or iPhone. So let's start. First, go to your Play Store and search for Black Hole. This is the application. Can you say it? So you install it. I have installed mine, so I'll just open my own. But yeah, just install it for the first time, install it. So after I finish installing it, let's open the application. This to do advert to, let me lie to you, this to do advert to, you go skip the advert to, bros. Skip them. So you go to your, let's go to my YouTube application. Let's go and look for the video that I'll download on YouTube. Let's go to YouTube application. Pick a video of our choice. Yes. Let me look for a video that it's not collect much of my data share. Because data is one. So let's pick this one. Let's pick your head. This one, Congo. Yes. So you click on the three icon and press share and copy the link. This one is very easy. Click three icon, press share, copy link. Where you see share to WhatsApp, Instagram, and cool. So you just copy the link. And then don't click on download though, because that will make it to download on YouTube itself. So you avoid that particular thing. Yes, avoid downloads. So what will you do? After copying the link, we go back to our Black Hole application. The one we just downloaded from Play Store. Then we do adverts. You can skip the adverts. Yes, you can skip it. Say, see, you shall do it. You skip the adverts. Then you tap on the black hole and it starts downloading automatically. Because it has been notified that what you copy the link, so it start downloading automatically. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say, Sha. So when it's done downloading, click on videos and you will see videos. You will see videos. So you click on that video, you see the video you just downloaded to be in your phone and to be in the gallery, to be in that phone and to be in your gallery. So what will you do? Hey, you have seen it. So now you go to, so what will you do is that it will be in the phone, in the app, and also be in the gallery. So how will you see it in your phone gallery? You go to your photos. Go to your photos or gallery and check it. Can you see the video? Let me play it for you. I will not play the video sound because of copyright sound. But can you see that this the video is playing? So that's how to download from YouTube itself. See, this update not there anywhere. Now updates will be saying update, big updates. I will cool. So that's that download on from YouTube. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. I am Bolu. So, sorry. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my playlist. I am Boluvibes. Bye bye.